Hey everyone, it's Jamie here, and before we embark on this adventure together today, please do subscribe and give this a cheeky like. And now, welcome to Magic Kingdom, Disney World, Florida, and one of the park's most popular attractions, the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, themed to the first full-length traditionally animated film in 1937, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. This attraction is a steel roller coaster located in the Fantasyland section of the park. It travels both indoors and outdoors, covers 2,000 feet of track over 2 minutes and 50 seconds, has a drop of 39 feet and reaches a speed of 34 miles an hour. It's a family coaster for sure, but it does feature a new ride system of a tilt-in vehicle which simulates the swaying and tipping of a minecart. So, hi-ho everyone, it's off to where we go and let's ride. You need to be at least 38 inches in height to ride, and if you're looking to avoid long lines, ride this either first thing in the morning, meaning being here for rope drop, last thing at night, or use the Disney Genie Plus facility to grab yourself a Lightning Lane pass. They go fast, so get in there early. As always, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Travel Blog Jamie on YouTube, Instagram and Twitter. Have a magical day.